Namaskar. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to reuse an old waste wooden piece and going to make a centerpiece for home. To make that, the things required are acrylic paints, brushes, varnish, fevicol, thermocol, artificial flowers, empty medicine or paint bottles, fevicryl molded, chunky tube, and few stickers. As you can see in this video, I already had this old wooden piece attached to one another in L shape. So what I did was I took some ceramic powder, mixed it with water and fevicol, and then applied it covered this entire wooden piece with the ceramic mixture. Once it's dried up, I painted it completely and then let it dry for next 24 hours. Once the ceramic was dried up, I then used the fevicryl molded and made this welcome, like I wrote this welcome on this board and also the side decorations on the board, as you can see. And then I used medicine bottles, which we will find it in any household. If not, you can also use any plastic bottle or acrylic paints bottle. I just removed the stickers from those bottles, then I painted those bottles and pasted on the base of this wooden piece. Once this was completed, I also then filled these bottles with thermocol inside it, and then also filled like the thermocol, the upper part of the body, like I decorated it, like I hid the thermocol with the artificial flowers which I had already in my home. Home. Once this was ready, I used the Fevicryl tubes, like the chunky tubes, to write few words, as you can see over here in this video. If not, you can also paste any stickers if you want to anywhere, and that's it. The board, like the centerpiece for any occasion. Do watch the video completely, I mean till the end, as I will be sharing my other nameplates as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have liked the video, kindly thumbs up and share it as much as possible. And do try it out for yourselves as well. And post it on social media. And do tag me on my Instagram or Facebook page. I will surely share the post or the story with everyone. Also, do follow me on my Instagram page, like my Facebook page, and do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you again and have a good day.